Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to merge all PDFs. Okay, for example, if you have more than one PDF, you can easily merge it into single PDF. For example, I have 4 PDF. I'm going to make it a single PDF. Okay, one is fillable form, one is large, and one have sample 5 page, and another one is legal size. So all these are sample files. I'm going to add it in a single file. So that is a free tool online. Okay, you can go to this URL. I'll be providing the link in the descriptions. mergepdf.html. You need to go to this website. Okay, so go to the folder, and here the first one I'm going to choose it. Chosen. So this is a single file, you can see, but before that I just want to show it. Next thing, I'm going to add the next one. Okay, you want on top of it or the below one. Okay, below the existing one. So below the existing one means I need to choose this. Above means I need to choose this one. So I'm going to choose this large PDF, so it will be on top. Cool. So 1 and 2. So now you can see large PDFs. I just went back again to this main menu and then trying to put all the files. Okay, selecting all the files and selecting it. So automatically it will fetch all the files. Super cool, right? So here, right, once you selected, you can just move it where or which file want to the next one. So you can choose that. You can click and move it. Okay, and then what and all, right? If you want to select it, you can just select and then click on merge. Then it will be converting. If it is asking you to sign in, you need to sign in. Okay, once it's merged, you can download it. So it's downloading. Yes, cool. I'm going to open it. I'm going to verify. Wow, it's all the PDFs are merged. You can see that. So totally 112 pages. Okay, it is definitely helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks and media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.